CyberCare is a leading name in the manufacturing of innovative electronic products designed with cutting-edge anti-hack technology. Headquartered in a state-of-the-art facility, the company focuses on delivering products that redefine security standards while offering exceptional performance. With a mission to create a safer digital ecosystem, CyberCare integrates advanced security protocols into every product, ensuring robust protection against cyber threats. Our flagship products include a wide range of secure devices such as smart home solutions, IoT gadgets, secure communication systems, and enterprise hardware. Each product is meticulously designed and rigorously tested to meet global cybersecurity benchmarks, providing peace of mind to users and organizations alike. The incorporation of anti-hack technology is a testament to our commitment to innovation. This feature adds an extra layer of defense, safeguarding sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. Our manufacturing processes adhere to stringent quality standards, ensuring reliability, durability, and the seamless integration of security features.
CyberCare operates with a global vision, serving clients across diverse industries such as healthcare, education, finance, and government. Through strategic partnerships and a robust distribution network, we have established a presence in key international markets, earning the trust of customers worldwide. Our team of expert engineers and cybersecurity professionals constantly innovate to stay ahead in the fast-evolving tech landscape. We are dedicated to addressing the challenges of an interconnected world by providing solutions that are both secure and user-friendly. At CyberCare, we believe in empowering businesses and individuals with the tools they need to thrive in a secure digital environment. Together, let's build a future where technology and security go hand in hand.